everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving into a key IGCSE 0470 history topic. And the topic is, why wasn't Italy unified in 1848-1849? We'll use this mind map to guide us through each major reason why the revolution didn't succeed. So let's get started. At the center of our discussion is this question: why was Italy not unified during the 1848-1849 revolutions? The answer lies in a mix of weak leadership, lack of unity, military defeats, and internal divisions. Let's break it all down. The first one is lack of unified support. Liberals and nationalists wanted to push the Austrians out, but they didn't all work together. Next is there was no widespread support for Charles Albert's army. Even in Lombardy, many people were hesitant or unwilling to fully support him. Without national unity, any revolution is bound to struggle. Now let us look at the next reason, and that is Charles Albert's hesitation. Now let's talk about leadership. Charles Albert was urged to invade Lombardy, but he was indecisive and waited too long. This delayed allowed Austria to regroup and respond with force, a huge missed opportunity. Then we talk about the Austrian and French military strength. The military strength of Austria and France played a big role. Austria was determined to hold on to its influence in Italy. Their armies, and the French too, were better equipped and reinforced. Austria received reinforcements, while Charles Albert was left without strong backing. The Italians were clearly outmatched on the battlefield. Next, we talk about the political divisions among Italians. Unity wasn't just missing militarily, it was missing politically too. Some Italians supported a monarchy, others wanted a republic, and many viewed the Pope as both a spiritual and a political leader. So Italy had no clear vision of what kind of country it even wanted to become. So eventually, what was the result? All of these problems added up to failure. Charles Albert was defeated. Northern Italy stayed under Austrian control. So the unification dream was postponed, at least for the time being. In a short recap, we could say that Italy was not united in 1848-49 because Italians weren't united in support or purpose. Charles Albert hesitated. Austria and France were militarily superior. And lastly, internal political divisions weakened the cause. So, this is a key topic for your IGCSE History 0470 exams, especially for paper 1. Make sure you understand each of these points clearly. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Stay blessed and happy learning.